These are our removable pin swivel snaps. We have made the removable pins on our triggers and our bolt snaps in a 1-inch size in our natural and our antique brass. We made these so you can have a swivel snap that has a removable base if you wish to take items on and off, but also a common request is people break swivel snaps pretty often. Typically if it's zinc material, they break and they snap off. So we made our solid brass common swivel snaps in these removable bases. So they're threaded down to the bottom, as you can see here. And typically, let's say you're using this for a replacement. You've got a nice bag, an heirloom, or what have you, just want to fix it. Oftentimes, these are going to be riveted in. This is actually installed with a solid stud. And to remove that, you need to take a drill press to this to remove this part. Otherwise, you'd have to cut the leather strap off, install a new solid base, restitch it. That's too much work, or too much skill, frankly, for a lot of people. So, with these removable bases, you can take a strap. You can install all by yourself. Just started on a strap. That comes through the other side. A small little wrench. And also, if you're not going to plan to remove this, you can put a little Loctite in there as well so that this doesn't come undone. That screws right in. And there you have it. Easy as that. You've replaced a broken swivel snap, or you're just simply using it for a removable swivel. Other items that we do also stock that have the removable pins, we have D-rings. So if you break a D-ring, that's easily installed and replaced. Same with O-rings. We've got removable screw O-rings in a few different sizes, 1.5" down to the 1-inch here. So those are removable bases on our swivel snaps.